Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm gonna talk about the new YouTube policy that has came into existence 2 days back, which says under the new eligibility requirements announced today, your YouTube channel target is no longer eligible for monetization because it does not meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time with the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, your channel will lose the access of all monetization tools and the feature associated with the YouTube Partner Program on 20th February 2018 unless you surpass this threshold in next 30 days. Accordingly, the email serves as 30 days notice that your YouTube Partner Program terms are terminated. Okay, what exactly is it? I will tell you here. If you go to your YouTube channel here and if you click on the Creator Studios and go to analytics, you'll see this overview, and you have to filter it for last 365 days, and you'll see the result here as 1,97,630. So what exactly is it? According to this email, it says 4,000 hours of watch time within past 12 months. That means 4,000 into 60, that is equal to 2,40,000 views in minutes. So I have 1,97,630, so still like 43,000 view minutes is pending. And coming to the subscribers, in past 12 months I have gained 942. So why I have got this email regarding from the YouTube saying that you have not surpassed the 4,000 hours of views or 1,000 subscribers in past 12 months. So that's what that email means. If you are new to YouTube, you need to surpass 4,000 hours or 2,40,000 minutes in 12 months or 1,000 subscribers. That's what the new policy from the YouTube. So if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and keep supporting me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who want to create a YouTube channel